So how do we map out a user journey? One action at a time. Let's say our persona, Jamal, comes from a town of 500 people in rural Mississippi. He uses a wheelchair to get around, and he's visiting New York City for the first time. Today, he wants to fulfill his dream of going all the way to the top of the Empire State Building. How do we map out his journey? To start, identify the first task the user needs to complete. In this case, Jamal needs to find a subway route that will take him to the Empire State Building. Next, list all the things the user needs to do to reach their goal. Here's a list of Jamal's main tasks. Task 1, determine the subway line and route to take. Task 2, find the nearest station with wheelchair accessibility. Task 3, buy a ticket. Task 4, find the right platform and make sure the train is headed toward the Empire State Building and not away from it. Task 5, board the subway. Task 6, find the right exit. The next action in mapping a user journey is describing all the smaller things the user must accomplish before graduating to the next main task. Here's what that might look like for Jamal. So that's it, right? You got Jamal all the way to the Empire State Building. Your work here is done. Well, not exactly. You've completed Jamal's physical journey, but you still need to consider his emotional journey too. The third action in mapping a user journey is identifying the user's likely emotions as they go from task to task. For example, imagine how Jamal might feel the first time he looks at the subway line map. He might be confused and intimidated. Or imagine that Jamal's purchased his ticket and is trying to get to the right platform. He can't use the stairs, so he'll need to find an elevator or ramp. The elevator might not be working, so he has to find a ramp. This experience could make Jamal feel overwhelmed and make him feel excluded. There's one final action in our journey mapping exercise. Once we've identified the user's emotions, we can then identify opportunities to improve his user experience. This is where user journey mapping can really enhance UX design. Without mapping the actions of Jamal's journey, it might never have occurred to us to add an accessibility key to the map to help users with wheelchairs navigate the subway stations more easily. Here's what a completed user journey map looks like for Jamal. Now you know how user journeys build off of user stories and personas. You also know the benefits of user journey maps, and you understand how to create a journey map. Jamal's user journey may have come to an end, but we've still got a long way to go in our UX design journey.